Welcome back to the Vegan Spice Kitchen. Today we're making tzatziki, which is a Greek dip. So start off by peeling one cucumber. Grate the cucumber into small pieces. Squeeze the cucumber thoroughly so you can get all the excess water out of it. Now just add in 1 cup of any type of plant-based yogurt, so that could be oat-based or almond milk or soy milk-based. Squeeze a small lemon. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Chopped coriander. Chopped dill. Crushed black pepper. Add salt as needed. Now mix well until you're left with a very creamy and slightly chunky texture. The chopped cucumber will add a slight crunch and also give it a little bit of texture, whereas the yogurt will give it more of a smooth and more thick consistency. And the last step is to add oil. Now you can put this on your salad or you can even eat it with bread. It's just really refreshing and it's just really tasty. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe for more.